Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what OmiseGo, OMG. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but who cares? Let's just make some money. That's all that matters. It's like my friends sometimes make fun of me because of my accent, and my reply back is, "How many billionaires do you know that are English teachers?" I don't recall any, and most of them are drop out of school. So that being said, let's just take a look. Daily chart, like always, we're still in the same fibs from the swing high of what? June 26th of 2019 to the March 13 low of this year. So let's just see what this is doing. So this was a while back. I mentioned this double bottom. It played out. It almost played out completely. We pulled back. The one good thing that we have going on is we're holding above the neckline of this double bottom. As long as we're holding above the neckline, I am not too concerned about anything, especially breaking substantially lower to basically a buck. So the 23% retracement, because you got a 200-day moving average right there. RSI is looking a little bit bearish, but it's alright. I mean, we had that rally for the last couple days. I would expect this rally harder, but it seems like when Ethereum outperforms Bitcoins, what happens is that will rally hard, but the other alts take a minute to kind of, I call it jet lag. They take a little bit of a minute to rally with it, so that might be the case with the majority. I only saw a couple like Ripple, ADA, XLM rally decent, but the majority didn't rally as hard. But anyways, let's just go back to OMG. So it looks like the struggle is the 50% retracement, so what, $1.76 or so? So we just have to kind of wait and see. I wouldn't do anything at this particular moment. I mean, risk to reward is really crappy how it is set up right now. By the way, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way we're going to reach out to 7 billion people. And you're going to help the channel grow to reach all those people out. So just hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you guys like the video. If it don't, then just don't do anything. Also, if you get anything useful out of the video, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make money like you're making money in the crypto markets. The whole idea is to create a community so we all help each other out. That being said, let's just see. Let's do this. Let's just take this fibs off for now. We'll leave the neckline there. We just drop from March 13 low to what? May 22nd high. So if we draw that, I don't really like this. I mean, it looks okay. It seems like the fibs are a little bit. The only one that it's kind of lining up is this 50% retracement, so $1.29. So I don't think that one is working that well. Let's just go back to our other fibs that they were. Seems like people were paying attention to those better. So back to this fibs. Let's see. Yep, we're good. So we just have to pierce and hold above the 50% retracement. I wouldn't do anything. I would either wait for a pullback, a bigger pullback to the 61% retracement. Now, the one thing that you have here at this particular level, we might hold this level. Because if we just look a little bit closely, there you go. So if you look a little bit closely, this level, 1, 2, 3. So we might hold above this level and hold above the 20-day moving average. We just have to kind of wait and see. If you didn't catch this at what, $1.46, I would wait, either piercing and holding above the 50% retracement, because if we do, then your next target will be the 38% retracement if we hold the 50, because the 50, so $1.78 is the previous, basically the previous high. So I want to see a break of that, because typically once we break that and then we move to the next one, we pull back and we go on and so on. So I wouldn't do anything at this particular moment. I mean, risk to reward will be okay if you price it, put it very tight, but I just don't like it. It's not for me. So either buy at 146 or buy at 178 basically. And then I have to wait. Once we get to those levels, I have to wait and see what is the candles doing. Because like I said, we can, fantasize how much money we're going to make, but if the candles don't tell us that we're going to make money, and then we're really not making any money. So just keep that in mind, that your risk to reward has to be amazing. If your risk to reward is amazing, then you'll make it. Also, we're trying to narrow down, guys, how often we're going to post the videos. So just leave down in the comments below how often you guys want to see them. In the chat, we're posting every day. So we're just kind of playing around with that idea for now, how often we post these videos. And if you guys get anything useful out of the video, send one friend to the channel. And don't forget to subscribe. So I don't see this breaking below the 61%. So at 146, we might hold this 163 level right now, because we had a little bit of support and resistance, so we might hold that level and then move to the 178. So I would do something at 146 or at 178. Nothing in the middle. I don't like to trade channel. So that being said, guys, thanks again.